I'm scared, so today I am playing identity fraud, and I am so scared. Hold up. Ew. Gotta memorize this. Holy sad. Skip this crap. I'm Ribbery Flim Flam. Is that a real person? Well, I guess I gotta die. I don't know. Stop following me. Stop. Stop. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Oh. Let me chat. Stand still. No. You know what? I'ma run. Wrong way. So scary. This hasn't happened to me before. I don't like it. Go away. Keep running. Just going this way. Just gonna keep going. The heck? That was scary. I don't know. Well, heck. Well, crap. There. The weird fruit things. Time to run. Gonna have to start running in like 2 seconds. Again. This is so scary. Oh my god. I hate this. Yeah, we're gonna turn this way. Is it just me or did the hallway just get longer? Oh god, I'm getting faster. Leave me alone. Yeah. Leave me alone, please. Fool, how you gotten rid of it? How have you gotten the time? How have you had the time? Are you real? You're real. Where is that weird monster? Sorry, so sorry. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that was I don't know where I'm going, so stop following me. The weird monster thing. It's cute though. I don't like the sound it makes though. Turn the corner. Better not be here. That dude is still following me. Stop following me, creepy dude. Oh. I don't want to be alone though. Creepy Sandy dude. Santa, what are you doing? Stop, Santa. Bro, stop getting behind me because you're scary. I'm scared too. You can't be trusting me, bro. Never been chased by a frog before. That was so scary. Oh gosh. Oh dang. Santa dude. Okay. What the heck was that? Santa dude, stop leaving me. Look. Santa dude. Santa dude is my best friend. What? Monster dude is near. Crap. Santa! Santa! Ew. She started running so fast. My heart is beating so fast right now. I hate this. Santa, I don't want to leave you. Monster! Monster! Running? No, he got me! That's so scary. Oh my god. Santa dude! Santa dude, we're still friends, right? Santa! Santa! I can't do my flamingo voice anymore. I'm sad. Santa! Coronavirus. Santa! Santa! I can't do it anymore. Stop it! There it is. How do you at people? I know how to at people on TikTok, but not on YouTube. I feel sad. E. Get noob. Yeah, I should have said that to myself each time I died. Identity fraud is so scary, bro. Literally, I did not know which way the not imposter, whatever a fraud was coming from. Santa, stop leaving me. I'm gonna follow you. Oh god, I think a fraud is over there. The monster gonna appear out of nowhere. The imposter gonna chase us again. So where'd you go? I hear it, I hear it, I hear it, I hear it. I don't like it. Oh god, that music's getting intense. Oh, I don't like this. Oh gosh, White Arrow. Probably means like the weird monster dude is here. You're not out. Stop! No, I'm not playing with anybody. No, shoo. Santa dude, why you keep circling around in places? You can't get rid of me. I ain't going nowhere. I'm still gonna be here. I ain't going nowhere. Ugh. Ew, I have some weird nail in my mouth. Santa, you better walk faster. You go flat. I'm gonna chase you. All I really need is a smile from these happy friends of mine. Come on, every pony, smile fill my heart up with sunshine. All I really need is a smile from these happy friends of mine. Come on, every pony. Sorry for all that trauma I just brought back. Oh gosh, it is getting dark. I don't like this. It's right over there. It's right there. We're on the dead end. Oh crap, we are screwed. Yay! Is that it? Where is it? I swear I just heard it. Smile from these happy friends of mine. Come on, every pony, smile. I keep bringing back trauma, but that song is stuck in my head. Where's that weird mirror thing that one player is in? Hey, I ain't going nowhere. Dang, digga janga dang. E. We hear we're monster dude. Stop! Oh, this man was just trying to... I swear I just that weird monster dude. I swear it's that weird monster dude. I swear to Jesus. Sorry, Jesus. I swear though. Like, I feel like that monster was the monster. He going and get it. Yeah, you're creaking. Ew. Ew, shut the up. Ew. Even David can win. Uh-oh, Santa dude, where'd you go? Santa dude. Santa! Yay! Oh, I forgot. I'm probably like a goth person right now. Santa, come back. Santa, stop running away. You ain't... I don't like that. I got my eye. The heck? Stop it. Oh, it's chasing him. Imposter, a fraud is gonna come out of nowhere. And he's gonna have to run. Who's it chasing? Me or him? Music stopped. I'm ready. He probably about to start sprinting. That's why your mama dead. Sorry to all those people watching this and their mom was dead. I'm sorry. That weird monster thing, that means no imposter. Yay! From these happy friends of mine, come on every pole, smile, 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 from my heart up with sunshine, sunshine, all I really need is smile, 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 from these happy friends of mine, come on every pole, smile. We're screwed. We're screwed. Didn't. Stop screaming at me. Did nothing to you. Dang. Rude. That terrified me. That monster keeps coming after me. Leave me alone. Do you love me or something? 'Cause I'm a goth. Leave me alone. Literally, I hear it, and I know you guys hear it too. Bagger. Me and Santa do split up because we thought we were getting chased by frauds. Sad. Don't scream at me. Trying to tell you I'm good. Stay back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Stay back before I slap you. Sorry. Get back. Leave me alone. An imposter is gonna come soon and I know it. Literally about to run. I hear a heartbeat. What is that? Is that my heartbeat? I don't like I'm laughing way too much. Hey. People are probably gonna hate on me because I'm a Flamingo fan. Oof. What was that? Yep, running in it. Uh-oh, somebody just died. That sucks. Probably about it. How rude you gotta be, bro. I didn't do nothing. Stop screaming at me. Hurt my feelings. And we're at a dead end. Wow. This is about to be the end of the video because I'm not good at recording long videos. So if y'all are lucky, I might just I don't know if you're lucky. If I'm gonna keep recording, you're probably gonna get bored. I don't know if that's it or stop giving me intense music. I don't like it. Well, this is the end of the video. Bye.